driven by the motto to preserve nature's most wonderful creation, that is human beings, which deserve the best surgical healthcare in this century. And we at Siora work to preserve that. Siora was founded in 1987. Siora is an India-based global medical device company combined with 50,000 square feet built-up area located in Sonepat, Haryana. Consisting with a state-of-the-art new age, fully modern production unit equipped with latest CNC, VMC production capabilities, which in turn produce cutting-edge 5,000 units per day. Siora is manufacturing trauma implants for last 30 years and serving people with thousands of successful surgeries done by its products. But every great company has its roots in the inception of its idea, and that credit goes to the legendary Mr. Anuj Dureja, the founder of Siora. Today Siora basks in the glory as one of the fastest growing surgical implants manufacturer and a premium brand on global scale under this inspiring man's craftsmanship. Hand in hand with the youngest director, Mr. Rupit, and the entire team. As India's leading manufacturer of quality trauma implants products, Siora holds a wide range of portfolio that represents the brand in 50 countries across the globe in 6 continents. It starts with the world-class raw material as per ASTM F136 and stainless steel 316L as per ISO 58322 standards. Each batch undergoing through tough inspection by Siora's engineers and accredited laboratories. Our implants and instruments are manufactured using state-of-the-art CNC and VMC machines imported from Japan and Germany that are completely automated. This means that we can not only make outstanding implants but make them on time and again with 100% efficiency and cutting-edge accuracy over and over again. Our implants themselves undergoes numerous stages of production and is also why we have 98% of manufacturing process is in-house, from forging to sterilization. Cleaning is a very essential part in implants performance. So, Siora implants undergoes strict cleaning protocols, which starts with mass finishing machines for polishing and reaches to automatic ultrasonic cleaning. Then finally getting cleaned with hot steam machine. The titanium material implants undergo Type 2 and Type 3 anodizing process as per AMS 2488 standards. Stainless steel 316L implants undergo electropolishing process to give smooth finishing to the products and protect it from rough handling. At every stage of production, the products are checked with vernier calipers, micrometers, and different types of gauges to ensure the consistency and meet the global quality standards to ensure absolute safety. Outer profile of implants are checked with profile projector and more critical profiles through CNC vision measuring machine. Raw material hardness testing as per ASTM E1822 standards. Grain structure through 1000x special microscope. Each and every product gets laser marked to ensure traceability of the implants for ages to come. So, before final packaging, all products entering clean room undergo secondary ultrasonic cleaning process on devices to ensure the human touchless packaging practices to get the safest product packaged. Packaging is done by well-qualified and specially trained people inside the clean room for maximum safety of the product. Every single implant is transferred and processed in clean room facility, made as per ISO Class 7 standards through special pass boxes right up until the minute it leaves our factory to ensure that men and material flow is streamlined and separated. This also means we have complete control over the quality of the products made. Siora's trusted products themselves tell the story of faith as an established background in the global orthopedic history that helps companies from all over the planet to go from designing to prototyping and high-volume production steaming fast. But none of this would be possible without our incredible men and women who work at Siora. Our goal is to make every single of our employees undergo constant internal, external training, which ensures that everybody is updated on latest technology and new production techniques. We believe that innovation is through collaboration. Our design and development team that can transform surgeons' insightful ideas into a real performing products. Therefore, our design team regularly collaborates with top surgeons and hospitals across the globe to research on new implants and instruments, technology for betterment, ease of doing surgeries for surgeons. Siora is certified by global certification like WHO GMP, Indian FDA, ISO 13485, European CE, USFDA 510K. Siora thrives on creativity that helps to build remarkable products to generate value for all the stakeholders. Siora continues that tradition of quality as it grows bigger, stronger and more diverse, and as it explores new markets and embraces new challenges. Siora continues to preserve the rich heritage and tradition and supremely continues the commitment to its loyal customers.